chapter 6 verse 91. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين. The translation is, these it is whom Allah guided aright, so follow them, so follow thou their guidance. Say, I ask not of you any reward for it. This is not but an admonition for all mankind.
The Holy Prophet ﷺ is Khatam al-Nabiyyin. So what is meant for Bihudah Muqtad?
I knew it was coming. Read the verse, the first part particularly.
أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده.
Hadallahu is the key to the understanding of this word. The same God who guided Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also the source of guidance for people earlier. So, because it's Allah's guidance, which in this case is the common guidance which is provided to all prophets. So, it is not فَاقْتَدِهِمْ is not the
Yes,
word.
فَاقْتَدِهِ.
فَاقْتَدِهِ is the word used. It doesn't say that you follow them. It says follow that guidance which Allah has provided with every prophet of Allah, and you being no exception. So he will be following Allah, not the other prophets. The key lies in the first part, and the waqtadeh. In this part the key lies.